What is going on, everybody? So it is recovery day, and guess what? It is Valentine's Day. So we're out here, we got Mark right here, and we got Nikki coming in her, I think she's a Jeep. So she's new, I haven't met her yet. Yeah, we got someone stuck on Two Brothers Road, I think that's what it's called. Take you guys there, get as much as we can, and let's cue that new intro we got.
If it don't involve money, then I don't accept.
Alright, so we arrived at the RP's vehicle. Looks like he slid down just a little bit coming down this hill. Right here you can see it's a little high centered. Right in the front over there. There's a recovery point right here. You guys can see that, I don't really know. But what do you think the plan is?
Alright, so you said there's one down here?
There's one, yeah, good hook down there. It looks pretty secure, looks like a frame mount. Here's a flashlight if you want.
Thanks. Will you hold this one?
Yes. I have a shovel if you need it. I think we should get Olight to sponsor this video. What do you guys think?
It looks like it's actually frame mounted.
So you can see right there, got a cluster hook through the recovery point on the vehicle that's attached to the frame. We were unable to get a shackle through there, so this is going to be our best motive, and that's just Mark tugging on it to make sure it's good, and it looks pretty good.
How'd you give it?
And we'll have someone watch it.
Stop right there.
A little bit passenger?
Maybe a little bit of passenger.
Careful, slippery.
A little more passenger.
Alright.
Straight back. And a little driver.
Correct it out.
Little driver. Straight back. Straight back. Keep going.
Hard driver.
Alright, over here to me.
Stop.
driver.
Stop. Stop. Hard driver.
Let's come hard passenger. Come forward a little bit.
Careful, it's deep over there.
Go hard driver. Gonna back right up to Nikki.
Yep, perfect. Straight back.
Straight back.
Alright, I'd stop them there.
Stop right here. Stop.
Or else they're gonna hit
Yeah.
the
Passenger.
right here.
Put this window down for me. I'm sorry? Give me hard passenger, and we're gonna go forwards. Okay. Just drive, it should be fine.
Just don't run over Adam.
Good. All right, hold there.